Hey everybody, this is my video on environmental law, ethics, economy, and waste. We learned in class that there are four main issues that create laws. Pollution, deforestation, species extinction or endangered species, and waste. Today I'm going to focus on waste. I am at the Iron County Solid Waste and Landfill in Cedar City. This is kind of out by like Three Peaks, you can see over there. Yeah. So there are actually two types of solid waste. There's municipal solid waste, which is like a mixture of paper and yard waste, plastics, metals, glass, etc. And then there's the non-municipal solid waste, which is like waste from like a lot of like agriculture or mining or industry. And that's actually most of the solid waste in the United States is actually that sort of the non-municipal solid waste. There's also four ways that we can dispose of solid waste, which is dumping it, burying it, burning it, or compost it. Kind of the older method of taking care of trash is open dumps. It was kind of what they used to use, and now we use what we call landfills. But the problem with open dumps is that they were pretty unsanitary, and there was a lot of disease that was carried through like vermins and flies because there was an increased number of them because it was all exposed. And then the methane gas was released into the air after the trash was decomposed. And then a lot of the liquid or hazardous material would actually still seep into the soil and get into the water. So now they've kind of moved on to the sanitary landfills, and part of the reason why these are a little bit better is that it decreases the chance for vermins or flies to be in the area, so less diseases. It decreases the danger of fires, and the odor decreases. I read in the book that they use like a clay or a plastic sheet to prevent contamination in the groundwater, which I thought was kind of interesting. But then when I read on, it sounds like that a lot of the landfills don't even meet the current legal standards, and so a lot of them like don't even have the linings, this like clay and plastic lining for landfills, and so there can still be a lot of contamination to the groundwater, or there's cracks in them and so it still gets in. So obviously this is not, landfills aren't really the answer. There's not really a remedy to trash. It's still a problem. And I did my video on how Americans are sort of oblivious to the trash problem, and I think I kind of was one of those people, you know, it's out of sight, out of mind, and so this class has really helped me be aware. Anyways, that's my video today on waste.